Is there anything more painful than staring at a blank PowerPoint slide? You spend hours worrying about font sizes, alignment, and finding stock photos. And after all that work, the presentation still looks like it was made in 2010. Stop doing that. Seriously. There is a new way to create presentations, documents, and even websites that basically builds itself. It's called Gamma AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a single sentence or your rough notes into a professional, stunning presentation in under 60 seconds. And if you want to follow along, I've put a link in the description below so you can try Gamma for free right now. Let's dive in. So, what makes Gamma different from ChatGPT or PowerPoint? Most AI tools just give you text. Gamma is a design engine. It doesn't break your content into rigid slides. It uses flexible cards. This means you don't have to squish your text to make it fit. It formats everything automatically so it looks good on a laptop, a tablet, or a phone. It handles the layout, the images, and the design theme, so you can just focus on the actual content. Let me show you how fast this is. Once you create an account using the link below, you'll see this dashboard. We're going to click on Create New. You have two main options here. Generate, where the AI writes the content for you, or Text to Deck, where you paste your own notes. For this demo, let's use Generate to see the magic. I'm going to ask it to make a pitch deck for a futuristic coffee shop run by robots. I'll hit Enter. First, Gamma generates an outline. You can edit this if you want, add more sections, or just leave it. This looks perfect, so let's hit Continue. Now pick a vibe. Do we want professional, dark mode, colorful? Let's go with this sleek dark theme. And watch this. I am not touching the keyboard. Gamma is writing the text, selecting relevant layouts, and even sourcing AI images to match the context of the slide. Look at this. In about 45 seconds, we have a full deck. The design is consistent, the images match the text, and it's ready to present. But what if you don't like something? This is my favorite part. You don't have to manually format things. You just talk to the AI editor. I'll just highlight this card and type, "Change this image to a robot holding a latte." And boom, done. Or I can say, "Make this text punchier," and use bullet points. Gamma rewrites and reformats it instantly. It's like having a professional designer sitting next to you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I use this in my meeting? Yes, you can present directly from Gamma using Present Mode, which looks amazing. But if your boss or teacher insists on a file, you can export this entire thing as a PDF or an editable PowerPoint file with just one click. Gamma has completely changed how I work. I don't start from scratch anymore. I let Gamma build the foundation and then I just polish it up. It saves me hours every single week. If you want to try it out, I've added my exclusive link in the description below. It's free to sign up and start generating, so go give it a try and let me know in the comments what you created. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.